introduce myself. My name is Sinta Amelia. My study ID number is, and my class, I'm from Accounting Program Studi Faculty of Economy and Business Bina Sarana Informatika University, Cengkareng Campus. Part 1. On this session, I will talking about diversity of Indonesian cuisine. By the way, I'm from Kebumen, Central Java, so I will be discussing my region specialties. My area has many regional specialties. Fun fact, Klenting is the most famous snack from Kebumen. Do you know one thing? Klenting is a traditional snack from Kebumen, shaped like a small figure 8 and has a crunchy texture. The main ingredients for klenting are usually cassava, simple species like garlic, salt, and sometimes coriander, and cooking oil for frying until crispy. The method is the cassava is steamed, then mashed, mixed with spices, shaped into a figure 8, dried in the sun, and finally fried. Besides klenting, there's also ambal satay. Do you know ambal satay? Ambal satay is similar to satay in general, but the seasoning is made from tempe. The seasoning is savory, slightly sweet, and lighter than regular peanut satay. This satay is delicious when eaten with rice cakes. This food is a traditional when I vacation at the beach in Kebumen. Part 2. I will explain a little about indirect question. The difference between direct question and indirect question. A direct question is a short, direct question commonly used in everyday conversation. Conversely, an indirect question begins with a polite first and is used in formal situation or with strangers. What is indirect question? Indirect question is often used in formal polite situation. It usually begins with an introductory part such as, "Could you tell me?" "Do you know?" or "I wonder if," and does not always end with a question mark. Indirect question structure is introductory part plus question word plus subject plus verb. For example, could you tell me what time it is? Do you know where you are going? Could you tell me what your name is? And I wonder how old you are. Type of indirect question. In indirect question is a place after the subject, or the post office is, or is usually called a positive sentence pattern. For example, could you tell me what time it is? Do you know where the students are? The teacher said the sun is a star. Do you know why he is late? In indirect question, we don't use do or does. We change the form of the verb open to opens. For example, do you know when the library opens? Can you tell me when the store opens? And can you tell me why the shop opens so early? When a direct question, use can, but use the parts. Would it be possible to change it into an indirect question? For example, would it be possible for you to open the window? Would it be possible for us to meet tomorrow? Would it be possible for you to explain this again? In indirect question, remove did and change finish to finish. For example, do you have any idea how she finished her text so quickly? Could you tell me where they finished the project? Do you know whether he has finished the report? In indirect question, place are after the subject. For example, do you have any idea why they are looking? Do you know why they are angry? And could you tell me what you are doing? Purpose of indirect question. The main purpose of an indirect question is to make the question sound more polite, formal, and non-aggressive, especially when speaking to strangers, superiors, or in professional situations. And that's all from me. Thank you and see you!